absolutely love the Peanuts Snoopy's Mono Room collection by Re-Ment. I want to slowly recreate many of these items. So you know what that means. It's time for a versus. But we're not going to make all of them at once. Today we're going to focus on the tote bag, sandwich, coffee, and newspaper. For the sub sandwich, well, that's an easy one. We can make a sub at Sub Frog. This is from a previous video where we made a small sub shop inspired by Subway. We've got the paper and everything. But our paper is too colorful. We're trying to make a mono room, so we need to tone down that color. I printed the printable on a grayscale, cut it down to size, then switch out the papers so it's monochromatic. Up next, let's make the newspaper. Their paper is one piece, printed front and back, then it's just folded over twice. So I made a mini newspaper on my computer titled Miniverse News. This edition is for October 16th, 2019. It has articles about the National Day calendar, like National Fossil Day and Global Cat Day. Cut around the outside edge of the two sets of rectangles. Using a glue stick, apply glue generously to the back of one of the printables. Line up the edges and place the other one on top. Fold it in half on the line, then fold it in half again. Oh wow, I put a cat on the front of our newspaper when it's supposed to be a Snoopy room. But it's Global Cat Day, so we had to. And now we have our newspaper. I like how there are real articles. And if we really don't want the cat on the front, well, we can just refold the newspaper. I might rearrange those articles for the final printable because I like the way this looks better. Let's try the cup of coffee next. We are using our Star Frogs printable, and I made what I hope will be a sleeve. Carefully cut out the cup and the sleeve. Then take the cutout for the cup, starting at the end opposite of the logo. Begin bending it to make the shape of the cup. Use glue to secure the ends. And I'm using a pencil to try to keep it round. Take a small scrap of paper, place the cup on top, carefully fill it with hot glue all the way up to the top and allow it to dry. This might take a while because it is a lot of glue. While waiting, take black craft foam, find small circles to trace. I'm going to use this cap from the Sharpie and press it into the foam, making an imprint that we can cut out. It's a little too small. I need a larger circle. I'm trying a jumbo marker, which definitely gave me a larger circle. Now that the glue is dried, I can place the foam on top of the cup to see how it looks. We can definitely work with that. Stack and glue the two black circles together, glue them onto the cup, trim off the excess paper, wrap and glue the sleeve around the cup to make a cup of coffee. Ours isn't really that much bigger, but it works. Since we filled it with hot glue, it's pretty solid. The last thing on our to-do list today is the tote bag. I made a simple pattern that will be available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. Cut out the pattern, place them on a cream-colored fabric, use pins to secure in place, cut them out. We need one for the handles and two for the body of the bag. Take the long strip for the handle and fold over the sides about 1/4 of an inch. Iron flat so the cut edges are on the inside. Fold it in half again, iron flat. Use a sewing machine to sew a straight line going all the way down, giving us a very clean edge. Fold it in half, cut it to make two. Take the large rectangles, fold over the top 1/4 of an inch, iron it flat, place the handle on top. I'm using tape to hold the straps down, sew 2 lines going straight across the top. Remove the tape, repeat for the other side so the handles are securely attached. Stack them good side to good side, so down the side, across the bottom, and up the other side. Then go around the edges with a zigzag stitch to stop them from fraying. Trim off the excess string, flip it inside out, put cardboard inside the bag, use a black pen to draw a design. I really have to concentrate to do this. I don't want to make a mistake because then we have to make a whole new bag. That's not so bad. It's pretty close. Now we just need to color in the ear. The good thing about Snoopy is that he's supposed to be hand-drawn, so it's okay if he's not perfect. Allow the ink to dry, then carefully remove it from the cardboard to create our Snoopy bag that is just the right size for our collectible dolls. So here are the miniatures by Re-Ment, and here are ours. It is so much fun to remake these in whatever size we want. Let us know if you think we got close in the comments down below. And which items from this collection would you like for us to try next? Thank you for joining us for this Versus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we'll see you next time for another Versus.